Hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. We're making an Italian bread bowl type of a thing. It's a recipe I found, and I really liked it.
On the Food Network.
On the Food Network.
It's been on for quite a few years.
So what we've done here
looks good.
is we've hollowed out this bread, take it all out, right?
An Italian
and this is no
loaf,
good.
Right?
An Italian loaf, yes.
No, I'll use that for breadcrumbs.
Oh yeah. And take some olive oil and brush it into the bread. Like this. Just like this. Okay. And all around the sides and all that. Gonna be nummy. Till, you know, enough.
Okay.
That's good there,
Till
like
it's
that.
Enough.
And then we're gonna pop it in the oven at 350 degrees. Okay. Well, it's not ready yet. As soon as it heats up, I'm gonna put it in the oven. And I really mean it.
How long do you leave it, hon?
Just till it browns on the outside.
Okay.
I'll put it in now.
Just keep your eye on it.
I'll just keep my eye on it, yeah.
On cast iron.
Okay, yes.
I think he's trying to do the whole meal on cast iron. And it is for the Cast Iron Wednesday.
Yep.
So, and that's Shovelhead 8, right?
Shovelhead 8, yep.
Yeah.
So now I've got sausage, sweet honey garlic sausage here. Gonna fry it up. Sizzle power, oh yeah.
What kind of sausage? I missed it.
Honey garlic.
Okay, I know you said. Oh, I love
Okay, I'm gonna fry this up and I'll
sausage.
bring you right back as soon as it's fried up.
All right.
Okay. Okay, the sausage is cooked. You can see the brown in it. So I'm gonna take out the sausage. I'm gonna turn this down a bit. There, to a low.
We're still getting used to this propane cooking here, guys.
Propane and propane accessories.
So far, we're liking it.
Oh yeah. Don't mind it at all. So we're gonna take it up. Take all the what do you call it?
Sausage?
The sausage out. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. Big word.
Uh-huh.
Sausage. So they look good. Oh, they smell good.
Does it ever smell good?
Honey garlic. We'll let that drain, get the oil off it.
Want me to take that?
Oh, I don't.
Okay.
That's good. Now, well, we got onions, peppers, red and green peppers in here.
Just Juliet cut.
Yeah.
Just thinly cut.
Yep.
And you're going
I'm going to fry them up a
sweat
bit.
them down?
Yep, sweat them down.
Well, you like them tender, really tender, so you're going to need to cook them for a while.
Yeah. So it'll be okay. It's got the same canola,
Canola.
olive, sorry.
Yeah.
I don't canola what I'm doing. So
It's an handicap.
It's an handicap moment there, fellas and women. So we'll sweat that down for a bit.
I don't know why the camera's so close today. Do
Maybe
I always
it's
stand?
not the camera, maybe it's you.
Do I always stand far away?
Yes,
Huh.
I'm just bigger.
You are not.
Okay.
So we'll cook this down and
And I'll bring you back when it's cooked down enough
all right.
and show you the next process. Okay, now these are done nicely. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this back in. Okay. Now for the next process. See how that's doing. That's doing
Oh,
good.
your bread, yeah.
Yeah. I'll take this out of the way. Because we're going to have to pull out the bread soon. I need a mitt here. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
And a trivet down there. Okay, right now I'm going to pull the bread out. I think she's done pretty good.
Oh, that's hot.
Yeah.
Oh, does it look so toasty?
May need another one back.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
There you go, hon.
Thank you. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna shut this.
I want to show it. Look at that. Nice and toasty. Oh, I'm lucky I didn't get my foot killed with this spatula.
Spatula City. Okay, that's coming up really good now. Turn that down low. And now, I've got about 2, 4, 6 eggs here. We're going to beat that up. Don't beat yourself up.
Want a whisk?
No. I've got a man tool. And then we're going to put some basil. Let's find out how to open it. Just a pinch of basil. Let the wind blow it in.
Where is that breeze from? Oh, the fan.
Fan. There, some parsley.
Okay.
Now.
Won't need any salt. There's probably salt
we-
in that sausage.
Yep. Oh, there's beautiful. This sausage is beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to pour that in there. And then we're going to stir all that in.
Oh my God, it smells
I
good.
know.
Bring you back.
Now, we're going to
Oh.
put some cheese in here as well.
Oh,
Yeah,
what kind?
that kind of
Provolone
mozzarella.
or a mozzarella?
Yeah, mozzarella.
Grated mozzarella. That's going to be a ooey gooey, eh?
Oh, yeah. Exactly.
And keeping it scrambled.
Keeping it scrambled, yep. Now we don't want to cook it too much because we still have to put it in the oven on broil. So I'm going to put broil, start. Okay.
That'll be just to melt the cheese.
Yeah,
So,
it's only in for a few minutes there.
so make sure your egg is good.
Oh, look at it starting.
Oh yeah.
Really nice.
Doesn't that look nice? Looks like you're going to have a hard time washing that pan.
I know there's a lady that can do it. I don't want to take all the fun out of the work.
Don't want to kill all the joy out of
No,
my
I
day.
So you understand. That's good. That's good. Okay. A little bit higher. Oh, this is starting to look beautiful.
And he's got some provolone cheese.
That we put on top after. Yep.
Ooh, provolone is so strong, but it's so good.
I know.
I'm stealing it.
Do your best.
I already did.
That was your best?
Well, I
Just
only took a nibble.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we're gonna put her in there.
Yep. Okay, turn this off.
I know it's we keep reaching for the controls up at the top of the stove.
Yeah, I know, eh? 'Cause that's where they used to be.
Let's watch him carry, walk.
Carry? Why would I carry?
Okay, do you need a wooden spoon? What can I get you to help you?
Nothing.
No? Want to bring
No.
it over, slide it more so you don't
Yep.
put food.
Wham. Then we put her inside like this,
There we go.
because I can do that.
Oh, this is going
It's
to
going to be
good.
beautiful. Really good.
Press it in firm. Yeah.
There we go. Look at that. Just all the goodness.
Oh, we could have put mushrooms in there. No, mushrooms isn't real. This is supposed to be
Nah.
like a brunch sandwich.
That's right, yeah.
So, yeah, I guess mushrooms, no. But, oh, yeah, we could have put mushrooms.
Could have done a lot of things, but we didn't.
Or sun-dried tomatoes.
Actually, sun-dried tomatoes wouldn't be bad.
Yeah.
Fetch, girl, fetch. Okay. Back over here. And we got her on broil. Now I'm going to put the provolone on it. And see, every package comes with a piece that's missing parts.
Yeah, I don't know how that happened.
I don't know either.
Do you need help?
Nope.
You got it. There you
I got her yet. Just trying to get that piece off there. You wait. Oh, look at that.
Oh, this is going to be so good.
Oh, it's going to be cheesy. No doubt about it. See, that provolone doesn't want to give it up, does it?
No, it's kind of stuck together
Yeah.
really well. That's why I only got to steal a pinch.
There we go. I think that should do it.
I think so.
Okay, excuse me. Okay, now we're going to top it with this. More cheese.
God. So
Oh,
good.
beautiful.
I got the plate, not the creation.
Okay. Okay,
And
so I'm
back
only
in.
going to leave it inside the oven for a little bit. Just enough to melt it on. Because this is a heavy thing.
Yeah, it is. We need another cast iron pan. I bet
Yep.
that's hot.
It is. Ow! Hot. Hot.
Okay.
You need another glove.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so we'll bring you right back in about 5 minutes, and I'll watch it carefully. Oh, sheesh.
There's a hard one because of the handles on it, right? It's a grill.
Yep. Ow. Ow. I just heard the flame go out. Okay.
Safety thing for...
There we go.
Oh, man.
Look at that.
Let's get
Beautiful.
in here. Oh, that is a thing of beauty.
It is, isn't it?
Okay, so we let it cool for 10 minutes?
For about 10 minutes, and we'll bring you right back.
All right.
And we will sample. I will sample it for you, the world. Time to cut into it. So let's see what this is like. There we go. Look at that.
Smells so good.
There.
You know, a slice of this with a nice salad. Oh,
Look at that. Look at the inside of that.
nice. Hold it
Beautiful.
up a wee bit for the light, babe, so I can get it better. Oh, yeah.
Just don't let that hand start shaking.
Oh, yeah. Get her down.
There we go. Okay. Now let's give this a taste test.
He's using a
Oh,
little
look at that.
fork.
Oh. I have to sample that piece.
Hot, 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 hot.
Mmm. Oh, wow. Mmm. Really good. Mmm. Mmm.
Can you bite it?
Very cheesy.
Pick it up and bite it like a sandwich?
I don't know.
Let's try.
My nose will get stuck on the cheese.
That's okay. It'll pull away.
Eventually, I guess.
Oh, the crunch.
Oh,
Let's
wow.
see. Hold that.
Mm.
Oh.
It's got everything's right in it. Just beautiful.
Make that next time the kids come down. The adult kids.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Oh, excuse me. And don't forget that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. And we'll see you on the next video.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.